How to become a skip the dishes courier delivery driver. So what we want to do is open up the browser on our phone, and I'll just go search here for skip the dishes courier. You want to open up the first link, become a skip the dishes courier, self-employed courier jobs, so delivery driver. Now from this link that pops up, we will select apply now, and this is what it's going to look like. So we will need to write our name, last name here, email address, mobile phone number. We need to select our city here from the list and the preferred contact language, so we can choose either English or French, and we will need to verify or check both of these boxes. So I will just write my email and phone number here, and I will select create account. Now here it is going to ask us to set a password for our account, so I will just do that and press on continue. So this is what the next step looks like. How did you hear about us? You can choose whichever method you used, so you can do Google just as an example. What address will you begin your shifts at? So I will just write an address here for this tutorial, and you can choose from the list that pops up, and the city here. So we'll do Calgary and press on next. So once we have selected this, welcome to the Courier. This is going to be your delivery zone, so Vancouver, and you can choose or drop this pin here wherever you want, and you will just click on submit selection. So once you have selected your delivery region, you will just click on submit selection like I said, and this is going to put you on the wait list. Once your account has been approved, you will receive a message and you can begin delivering with Skip the Dishes in Canada. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.